Wanariadha wa hadhi duniani watakoshiriki riadha za Kipkeino wanaomba mashabiki wa Kenya kujitokeza hapo kesho kwa mashindano hayo ya siku moja, huku mwanariadha wa kasi barani Afrika Ferdinand Omanyala na mshindi wa mita 200 Olimpiki Gabby Thomas wa Marekani wakitarajiwa kuzua msisimko katika uga wa Nyayo hapo kesho.
We are home, and home is always the best place to just start your season. And now that we've picked up the momentum, definitely tomorrow is business. We have to stand on business tomorrow. Looking forward to go under 10, of course, but at the back of my mind, I'm looking at the world lead.
Being able to come here last year was such an amazing experience, and even just the welcome that I got at the airport was incredible. I think I feel super welcomed, and I'm so happy to be.
Sports is something that does unify humanity, and it's something that is so special, and these small gestures, just even welcoming us with music and dance, is something that makes a very big difference and makes me feel like a part of the sport.
Okay, I think tomorrow we're just opening our season. We want to see where we are so far. But the most important thing is I want to defend my Kipkeino title. I won't promise about the time, but when it comes faster, yes, we'll appreciate. Whatever comes out, we'll appreciate. But yeah, it's just the season opener.
Mwelekezi wangu Kedi na mpiga picha wangu Ngure anasema